Hello, I hope you're great. Today I will show you one program what is really helped me on my PC and I wanted to share with you. It's about glare utilities. It's a really good program. It's a 5 version as you see here glare utilities 5 and I purchased this program and it's really great program software as you want and it's solved on my PC. You can hear really lots of stuff. Registry, shortcut cleaner, here registry repair, startup manager. You want the startup programs here. As you see, disable, enable, what is, and plugin application services. And here you can disable or enable services what you really don't need. And of course, your PC will be faster. You see, so for my sound, internet, and you see, and everything worked perfectly. I have Asus book, and it's must be enabled. And services, Windows services here, and you can choose what you want if you don't need something. Let's see, diagnostic service host. You can just once disable. Now it's enabled, and you see and must only watch what series hyper or disable. You don't know that you know that, and what is that's the one thing. Sorry, is over here. Here you have really lots of stuff. You can overview. Turn off. You can check for updates. For you can hear if you pro version. My is pro version and you have a deep cleaner and here on advanced tool it's lots of stuff. This cleanup, content menu, disk space, process manager, uninstall manager, software update, browser assistant, and here you see you will open registry defragment, disk defragment if you have hard drive for SSDs. System information here. Just click and you see for system information. As you see here, cassette, my CPU book, graphic, whatever. Operations system. As you see, the operation system. I mean, everything is here. What is motherboard? As you see, it's Asus 532FL.306 CPU, everything you can see here, memory, drivers, display, network, another. But what I want to uh, say, everything you see here, it's pro version. I was have problem, and when I will go to Windows Update, here it was one problem. I didn't see when we click everything here was disappear. Everything will stay here. This when it's paused here, paused update. Only this was can see. And with this program, I solved that problem. And another for me very important and clean catch your temporary files, everything. It's really free lots of space on your PC. And another problem what I was have, I was watch on YouTube and I was try with that system another for CMD, but go to, you know what I mean, like administrator, and create another CMD, but that is not work. CMD is crash on me, and it was disappear. And now when I go, you'll see CMD like, sorry, work. When I see, and let's see ipconfig slash uh, sfcdns, sorry, sfc scan now, sorry. And you see everything work perfectly and faster. You see it here. When I, before this program, CMD was disappear and will be crashed. So if you have problem with CMD, install this program. You can purchase this program and try it, and you will really satisfied. I leave now to finish this. Sorry. And that will be all for now. And please subscribe on my channel if you are not, and like, comment below if you have this problem, what you mean, and are you satisfied with it. Thank you for watching, and bye.